Hey, it's Wes Stearns. Today I'm with one of my very good friends, one of the vice presidents at George Mason Mortgage, Lea Frye. I've asked Lea to help me answer some questions about the veteran loans, the VA loans. We get a lot of VA military folks transferring here that don't realize that they can use their VA loan on more than one property. Is that true, Lea?
That's true. An easy way to determine it, we just have to pull up your certificate of eligibility, figure out how much you have remaining, but you can have two at the same time. And so many times folks do not understand that. It's a very simple process to determine what could you do.
So you're saying if a veteran's coming here from Texas and they have a VA loan on their property now, they don't have the house sold,
right?
They can go ahead and close on a property in Virginia with their VA?
Correct. You can have two VAs at the same time, provided you have enough remaining eligibility. And if you are short a little, you can put a minor down payment. It's a simple math calculation we do. It's a simple process we can answer right away to know, would this be an option for you to go VA for your next house? So you can have two outstanding VAs at the same time, provided you qualify for both loans.
Some of your competition, they want 60 days to do something like this. How long does it take George Mason Mortgage to do that?
21 days to close.
21 days?
21 days to close.
Wow. So, if you'd like more information, please provide some comments or subscribe concerning your VA loans or any real estate topics. Thank you.
Thank you.